मुझे पता था। नहीं
आज हम दूसरों के भंड पढ़ेंगे और उसके ऊपर अपने रिएक्शंस देंगे। I always go all out for my best friend's birthday, but this year they completely forgot mine. I didn't know how to feel. Should I confront them or just let it go? Birthday भूल गया, ऐसे कैसे दोस्त है?
कटा दो उनको, कटा दो।
I would say let go. Depends on what cycle you're in, girls. In the month. Then it's like I can't relate. But no, it's true. Yeah. If you're in the sweet time of your cycle, then maybe don't cut them off, confront them. लेकिन अगर वो वाला टाइम चल रहा है तो फिर ऐसा कटाओ। Basically.
We've been best friends since childhood, but now we have nothing in common. I don't know if I should distance myself or hold on to the friendship for the sake of the past.
If you're childhood best friends with someone, obviously जब आप बड़े होते you do change. That person is gonna change, you're gonna change. And if you do cut them off, then बाद में you'll have this because that personality that you had with them, that was always a part of your life. And कभी ना कभी वो याद आएगी. तो अगर वो दोस्त ही नहीं है आप जिंदगी में, तो how will you reconnect with that part of your personality? I don't think you should cut off.
I have nothing to say.
Me too.
My best friend started hanging out with someone else, and now I feel like the third wheel every time we're together. If somebody makes you feel like you're a third wheel, then you should like stop hanging out with that person. But if you're with your friends and you are feeling left out, that they're not like involving you itna, and you're feeling like you're the third wheel, then maybe they're not
You should
really
let it
your friends.
I'm still best friends with the girl जिसके साथ भी I used to have fights about this. मेरे साथ ऐसा होता है कि मैं किसी और के साथ hang out करना शुरू कर दूँ, वो थर्ड वील फील करती थी। उसने मेरे साथ इतनी बार किया, हम दोनों की इतनी गंदी गंदी लड़ाई हुई है, but like she's my best friend. And उस वक्त we were young, but I feel like कि वो एक अजीब सा फेज आता है लाइफ में.
But it also depends on, like, in every relationship, it depends also on how much you're willing to take on and then give in, and to how much extent आप कितनी लेवल की बाउंड्रीज बना रहे हो, और अगर that's it, like, कितना आप सेक्रीफाइस कर सकते हो और कितना वो इंसान इम्पोर्टेंट है और कहाँ आप इस रिलेशनशिप को जाते हैं देखते हो.
I'm always there for my friends' problems, but when I open up, they either change the subject or don't take me seriously. Stop being there for your friends.
दिल दुखने वाली बात है.
Stop being there for people if they're not there for you, and how do you find that out? Just be there for them.
लोगों के अंदर ये चीज होती है where they can't be there for somebody. उनका अपना तरीका होता है to be there for the person, but जिसको जरूरत हो था लव लैंग्वेज, बट लाइक जिसको जरूरत है ना, जैसे I have a friend, she sucks at serious moments. Serious moments आते हैं उसको हंसी आ जाती है, किसी की डेथ होती है वो ह्यूमर फाइंड करती है उसमें, वो इस तरह की है. तो अगर if I need her या मेरी जिंदगी में कुछ हो ना, तो she's gonna be there for me in a way which I don't really want, because that's not my love language, but at the same time I appreciate it because I know that she is
Coming from a good place.
yeah bad, but कभी कोई I've had fights with her कि भाई this I need you ना, तो be there for me the way I need you to be there for me, not in your way. Just maybe talk to them, and if it doesn't work, then
Especially like when you're an emotionally intelligent person, it's hard for you to get along with somebody who's not really that emotionally, challenged enough in life. Maybe sometimes people are just living, not I would say easy life, but they haven't been challenged enough emotionally to get to that point where, they understand.
उनका frontal lobe develop ही नहीं हुआ.
Probably yes. अगर आपका frontal lobe develop हुआ है तो आप comment करें.
नहीं हुआ तो
तो फिर
ना करें.